Do you mind? Thank you, I'm here. The hell you doing? Good move, dummy. See, there's another lane here. Dang, you weren't even getting off. Why are you gonna stay in the left lane? Dummy, fucking dummy. Can we call that next dive? Good thing I got into the left lane, huh? Yep. That was red. That was very red. What the hell are you doing? Make up your mind. Blinker's not difficult.
It's not that kind of party with me.
This is an exit dive. Yes, that's an exit dive. Jumping the queue. Hold on. Let's sit back a little. See what the camera picks up. Jumping the queue. Oh. The red light runner anyway. They weren't jumping the queue, but we got a red light runner in dump truck form. Sidewalks with curbs. What the hell are you doing? A dive. We can call it an exit dive. I'm gonna call that an exit dive. After he bullied the Yukon out of the way. Oh, what's this? Yeah, the hell are you doing, people? Squeeze in, for Christ's sakes. And there's always one person who doesn't get the memo that that lane's ending, and then we have this douchebag flying up behind. Oh, thank you. Put the phone down, asshole. Fuck you. I'll drive all the way to Charlestown to piss you off if necessary. Oh, another exit dive. And the scumbag's up my ass. Yeah. Told him he's number one. Did he roll it? That was a roll, wasn't it? I think that was a roll. Is that a roll back there? I don't know. Jesus! Shithead. Stop for stop signs, lady. He's gonna drive on the wrong side of her. It's the Subaru! What a shock! It's a Subaru! Yeah! Let's see. Who's gonna roll a stop? And the Grand Marquis rolls to stop. Yay! And Malibu. And RAV4, of course. Put down the phone! Thank you. Me yelling at that idiot to put down the phone would have been more effective if my window was down. I guess you're in a rush, huh? And you're in the wrong lane because you're in a rush. Nice. Nice cut off there. What was this? Subaru! Playing that well now, didn't you? Stop before you turn. I know where the entrance is. I just don't know which one it is. Are you gonna stop, Mr. Pickup? Are you gonna stop, Mr. Pickup? No, you're not gonna stop, Mr. Pickup. You're not gonna stop, Mr. Van, either. Awesome. Couldn't walk your freaking cart that far down to the corral, could you, you turd? Left it against someone's car. There he goes! You gonna go all the way to the left lane? This will be interesting. 1, 2. Christ's sake. Fuck is this? What the fuck are you doing? Fucking asshole. Dickhead. Yay! Did he run the stop? I'm yaying because they're doing road work. Hopefully that means paving. That I came. Looking back and longing for a change. It's the 21st century. Use your GPS. And why aren't they going over there? Christ's sakes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, trash guy just sitting there for no fucking reason. This is so well organized. Go, Grandma! I ain't waiting for this dingbat. Stupid. Did he stop? I don't know. Check in a second. I doubt he stopped. So we gotta stop here. Let's stop here. Let's stop here. No, sorry, I'm actually looking, officer, you know. Jesus, it cripes. I'm gonna stop, and I'm gonna look, and there's no one coming, so now I'm gonna go. Yep. Oh, watch this. Watch this. He ain't gonna stop. Nope. Staples did not run the stop. He did not stop for the stop. Rather, my brain's not working. Let's go. Yeah, that's the one way. Where the hell are you going, dude? Wrong lane, dummy. Red light for you, Mr. Bike. Miles away. Stop. Don't forget to stop. Of course not. It wasn't really a stop ram. Whoa! What the fuck was that? There's a piece of crap on the road. Hold on, let's go around it. It's one blown tire. One who blew their tire. You know, I don't want to be following this fucking dump truck all day long. But I can't move over because of this fucking Volkswagen and this fucking van is pacing the dump truck. So I suspect debris is going to be flying at me any second. Hey, nice! Oh, because this asshole. Great. Oh, god damn it. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, there was someone. Alright. Oh. Nice. Yep, there he goes. There's Toyota. Yep. Call this an exit dive. It's a Foster clock. It's a Foster clock, kids. Okay. 1, 2. All the way to the direct left lane. All the way to the direct left lane. Ram, and I'm getting around the city. Thank you. He certainly didn't want to, but he had to. He's creeping all the way past the line. He didn't want to stop a bit, so I'll call this my stop, and there's no one coming, so I'm going. And Camry slow rolling it, yes. Then Sentra blew it. Why is this still? Yeah. Don't roll the stop, Mr. Cadillac, like that. Camry anyway. Can you move? What the fuck did you stop for long before? No. It's red. It's red. It's fucking red. Fucking idiots. What the fuck are you doing? And now I'm not gonna make the. Thanks. Jesus. Cut them off, why don't you? And Camry ran the red too, ran the stop, whatever. And of course, Subaru's gonna run the red stop, whatever. It just happens constantly, and I can't keep them straight. I don't know. I just don't freaking know. Good move, Accord. If these two idiots, well, this idiot will stop because he stopped at a yellow light. And that was not a stop. And whoa. And that was not a stop either. Thank you. Thank you so much. You should blink your ass face. Thank you.